Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I wish you are having a wonderful day. Today I will show you one of my secrets on how I build motherboards. In this case will be the engine. The engine case. Usually most modelers they put the shaft into the boat and then they try to place the engine as good as possible. That creates vibration, and if you have vibration, these little screws down here they will fly away in the middle of the boat and you will need to ask for rescue. So if you have vibration, you have a problem. I will teach you how I do these things. First of all, I buy a very straight piece of plywood. In this case, it's a 4mm plywood and has to be straight. I cut a rectangle or a square depending on the size of my motor, and I glue and screw exactly 90 degrees from one of the borders, and then I check is 90 degrees from the base of my board. Once I have this, after that I place the motor in position. I screw the motor case and I adjust the motor, and I put the motor in position, totally adjust these screws. I will not move them again. What I do later is I make a hole. In this case, as you can see, I show you, this is a 10mm shaft. So the hole in this place will be around 13 to 15 millimeters. So yes, it's bigger than this. So this will be loose. Then I cut 2 square pieces of plywood and I make a hole exactly 9.7, 9 millimeters plus. So I need to force them into this stainless steel shaft. Then I put the shaft in position and I don't glue this. This I use to put this in the position that I want. Then what I do is to start playing with these two until this is perfectly aligned to the shaft of the motor. How do I know that? Because when I go back and forth, it doesn't get stuck. That is when you know, it's correct. Once you have this, you glue with fast glue both pieces and you test again that is alright. When everything is dry, glue and dry, and you know that is correct, the next thing you are going to do is protect the coupling. These couplings are not very strong and they have pins. These pins sometimes fly away. So what I do is, first of all, I put grease into these connections, and then I use this plastic you can buy in the electronic house. It's called spaghetti. We use for electronics. In this case I show you it's a number 9. Number 9, when you turn it, the circle inside is around 1.2 centimeters, 12 millimeters, so has to be bigger than this coupling. And you're going to do this. Before you adjust, you take it out, you put this, no, you can help yourself, you put there in position and you put back again to make sure everything is right and fine. You adjust the screw, in perfect position. You will not move it again, and you cover the screw with this. And then you use the lighter to make this hot, so will be totally tightened. The grease will stay inside and it's not going to fly away. But if you want to be sure, you have to turn with your hand and feel that turns so smoothly that is like nothing. Like you don't need to do it strongly, just move, and that's it. Once this is done, what you are going to do is, now everything is glue and dry, you turn it the other side, and these two corners, this corner and this corner, they have to go. This you have to take away after you finish all, because this is going to touch the hole, the base of your hole, and will not help you put this as low as possible. Because you know, if the motor is too high, the nose of your boat will go up, because this is doing this energy force. So you have to cut here as small as possible, so you can put this down into the hole. Of course, you have to make in the hole the two holes exactly in the position. Once you put there, everything is right in position. You just put your epoxy, whatever you have to do, one side, the other side, and you are good to go. Of course, you have to check with your bag that it doesn't vibrate. If you still feel vibration when you turn on the engine, maybe you have to readjust these two until you have zero vibration. Okay guys, I wish you have fun. This is just one of my secrets. Be safe and see you soon.